families, Mallory Cameron here, the digital instructional coach at the middle school, and I am going to show you how to log into your OCPS parent portal and access Skyward. Depending on how you set up, you will either sign in using your email or using your phone number. If you have not set up yet, then you can click on the PDF directions here or the video directions here to get set up. After inserting my username, I will put in my password and then log in. This will bring you to the OCPS Parent Launchpad. You will see different icons of resources that you are able to use as a parent of an OCPS child. First, we'll get started with Skyward. So you will locate the Skyward Parents icon and click on that. Once you get to this screen, you will see different icons that you can click on. If you have multiple children in OCPS, then you'll notice up at the top that it has all students, and it has this caret that you can choose which student you want to view their information. It will show the student's name up here at the top, and then you're able to navigate throughout these different icons. So online forms is going to be different things that the district has you fill out digitally. The calendar is going to be an overview of due dates. However, I recommend using the Canvas calendar over the Skyward calendar just because it's going to be more up to date. Gradebook is where you're going to access your child's grades. You will see an overview which has all of their class periods here, and then their grades for report cards and progress reports. You will have the ability to select. So if I wanted to see my child's grades for each assignment in their math course, then I can click on this arrow and it will open up the view of these grades. And I can choose this Next 10 button to expand and continue expanding. If you do not want to view all of the grades for the entire year at once, you do have the option to come here to Display Options, and you can change it to Show Current Grades Only. So that's only going to focus on that current progress report and report card so that you are not seeing the entire school year. And so that's really easy to toggle between, and it will also limit the amount of grades that you're having to scroll through as you are looking at each individual class. You also will see at the top that it shows missing assignments. So any assignment that is missing for your child, you are able to access that here and also in Canvas. Next is the Attendance tab. For attendance, this is going to show you your child's absences and tardies for the school year. Student info is just going to give you an overview about information about your child. Schedule is going to give you their schedule for the year, broken down by period. Discipline is going to know if there are any discipline issues that your child has on record. Test scores is going to have your previous year test scores. Student services will be any student service forms if applicable. Graduation requirements shows their progress towards high school graduation. Academic history shows their past year courses and grades at our school. The portfolio option is going to give you the ability to download past progress reports and report cards. Health information is there if applicable, and then it has your login history. So the main tabs that you will be using throughout the year are going to be the gradebook and attendance. Skyward is the official gradebook for OCPS, so that is going to be your go-to for grades. I hope that is helpful, and we are excited to have your child at our school.